right, y'all. Well, I came up with another scenario here. So, if you wanted to initially add graphite, which some of you guys have to your drawings already added the graphite, and I don't know if you're planning on keeping that or not, but if you have value in graphite, where you went from dark to light and you had that foundation, or if you need to add more of that foundation now that you know you have to add a gradation of layered value there, you can. So what I was thinking that you could do on top of yours, if you wanted to, you could actually add pen and ink. And I was going with the thought of you could either add like cross hatching, pointillism. Since I did like cross hatching and hatching in the other piece, I figured I could add pointillism to this one. So just to give you a little something to go with. This also, and I think I'm going to do another video to show you guys. In addition to this, you could, on top of your, either you leave it as graphite and you put colored pencil over it in some areas, like in some places, especially like your focal point, if you wanted to add an area of emphasis to further tell the story of whatever your message is, you could have things transform into color in some spots. So I could show you in another video how you might go about doing that. So yeah, so the one that we did before where you had the pen and ink firstly down, it's definitely more dominated by pen and ink. This piece is definitely, in my opinion at this point, is definitely more dominated by graphite. So it just depends on what you want. In general, I think it looks better that you have like more of a domination of pen and ink. It just kind of works a little bit better, and just leave the gray as kind of like almost like a wash looking middle tone, middle ground. So I think if I was to spend a little bit more time on this for you guys, I would probably layer a little bit more of my pen and ink. So you could also do some things with like stylized lines or something like that in pen and ink. I'm not really getting into that at this point, but if there is a need for that, let me know and I could do another video on that for you guys. So I know in level 1, you guys have practiced. I do recall you practice doing pen and ink, and you also practice pointillism and cross hatching and hatching. So you should be comfortable with that. And if you're in level 3, I know you did that a little bit in level 2 as well as I'm sure in level 1. Okay, so hopefully you get kind of the gist of what's going on here. What I'll do is I'll do another video and I'll show you if you were to add color to this, how could you do it, and I'll try to, you know, make this thing look a little bit more finished on the next video. So if you're interested in doing pen and ink mixed in with graphite, definitely check out the next video. All right.